Hi everyone, welcome to day one of our 12-day New Year's yoga journey. We are going to start this year really great by setting intentions, feeling more grounded, and of course connecting with our breath. I'm Tracy, I'm a yoga teacher and I'm a registered acupuncturist. We're going to combine both of those modalities in these short sequences. Let's start with our feet hip width distance apart. I'd like you to spread the toes nice and wide. I'd like you to have your sits bones seated nice and firmly on your chair. Knees always on top of the ankle, shoulders stacked right on top of the waist. We're going to draw the belly in, have a long and tall spine. I'd like you to close your eyes and let's take a nice deep breath in and out. We're going to do 4 more of these. Closing the eyes, softening the body, inhaling and exhaling. Again, inhaling, exhaling. With each breath out, I'd like you to soften the shoulders. Inhale, exhaling, softening the hands. Inhaling, exhaling, softening the legs. Last breath here, breathing in and exhaling, softening the toes. Noticing how relaxed you are, connecting mind, body, and breath. One more breath here, in and out. Well done. If your eyes were closed, go ahead and open them up. We're going to take our arms to the side for a nice big breath here. Inhale, arms up, palms together. Exhale, take your hands to the heart. Okay, again, breathing in, arms up. And exhale, hands to the heart. Now, as we start the new year, I always love to take this breath in and intentionally think about grasping all the universe has to offer us into the palm of our hands, all that goodness, and I'm bringing it intentionally into my body, into my heart space. Okay, we're gonna do a few more of those. Inhaling, intentionally grasping all the beautiful things the universe has to offer. Exhaling, sending it right down into our heart and into our bodies. Again, breathing in and exhale, breathe out. Sitting nice and tall. Again, 2 more. Breathing in. Exhale, breathing out. Last one. Inhale, all the universe has to offer us, right in the palms of our hands, and bring it right into the body. Beautiful. Breathe out. Perfect. Now let's open up our arms. Breathe in. And exhale, breathe out. Now it's very important, try to sit nice and tall, expanding the lungs. Inhaling, exhale, breathe out. Again, breathing in, exhale, breathing out. Again, breathing in, and exhale, breathing out. Now, with the feet really grounded, I want you to intentionally think about grounding the feet so you're feeling nice and secure to start this new year. And now we're being open to renewal and the birth of this new year, okay? So we're grounded and rooted, but we're also open to growth and renewal. So let's go ahead and expand. Breathe in. Exhale, breathe out. Again, inhale, open up, expanding. Exhale, breathe out. Again, breathing in. Exhale, breathe out. Again, breathing in. Exhale, breathe out. For more expansion, open up, breathe arms up, and hands, palms are gonna come down. Still rooting the feet and feeling grounded into the earth. Arms come up, breathing in. Expanding the lungs a little bit more. Breathe out. Keep that belly nice and drawn in. Open up the heart, open up the chest. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, breathe out. 2 more. In, connecting breath with movement. Exhale. One more. Breathing in. Open to renewal. Breathe out. Now we're going to take the arms all the way up. Breathe in here, and I'd like you to just gently sway to the side. Breathe out. Perfect. Come on back up. Inhale and exhale to the other side. Great. Tight belly, come on up. Use your back, use your bellies to support when you come back up to center. Breathe out. Tight belly, come on back up. Breathe in. Breathing out. Let's do one more on each side. In, tight belly. Exhale, soften a little. Good. Breathing in, back up. And soften here. Good. Tight belly, come on back up. I want you to open up the arms and then release. Perfect. Let's roll out the shoulders. 3, 2, 1. Go ahead and place your hands on top of the thighs. Feet are still rooted into the earth, hip width distance apart. We're gonna go for a seated cow and cat. We're gonna open up the chest, roll the shoulders back, stick your tailbone out. Really find this nice, gentle, or maybe expansive curve of the spine. We're gonna open up. I want you to lift your chin up to the sky. Good. Now we're going for a cat pose. Draw the chin into the chest. Draw the belly button to the back of the chair, so the back of the spine. And reach your fingertips to the front. So right to the front where your knees are. Breathe out. Okay, let's articulate that spine, opening up for more expansion and renewal. Breathe in. Exhale, breathe out. Okay, inhale, roll those shoulders back, stick the tailbone out, lift your chin up. Exhale, rounding the back, bring your chin into the chest, fingertips to the front. Good, again, in, open up the heart. Exhale, breathe out. Again, breathing in and out. Let's do one more. Okay, breathing in and out. Perfect. We're gonna come on back to center. We're gonna relax the arms down, take the arms all the way up, arms up, hands to the heart, arms up the midline. Take it to the side, breathe out. Come on back to center, lift. Other side, breathe out. Connecting breath with movement, breathe in, open up the arms, breathe out. Okay, again, breathing in. We're gonna do 2 more sets of these. Breathe out, tall spine, lift all the way up, in. Relax the shoulders a little and sway, breathe out. Great. Inhale, exhale, in and out, open up. Last one here, breathing in, exhale, breathe out. Well done, breathing in, sway to the side, exhale, tight belly, inhale, back up, exhale to the other side. Breathing in, and then open up, breathe out. Well done. That was day 1 of 12. Well done, everyone. We're gonna take our hands to the heart. Go ahead, thank yourself for taking this time to do something wonderful for your body, mind, and soul. I look forward to seeing you on day 2. Thank you. Namaste.